Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have here HP 6005 case. It's boarded on. Like a 009 beeps. The issue of this case in North Chipset is disconnected. After when we're hitting the whole motherboard and reading the North chip motherboard, and we'll be see what's happening. After we remove everything we can remove it in motherboard and make it without heating sink or RTC battery. Anything can be removed in motherboard will be removed it and put it in oven. We put it in oven for 20 minutes at 25 degrees. As we see, after we heating it in oven, let's get it out. We'll be honest in this case and test. After we exit it from oven, let's test it. I already reassembled it in his case, and we see as standby is okay. Let's turn it on. Now it's turned on and no beeps. It's only for it on time. Let's boot. Okay, it's open and very good. Thank you for watching.